Hi friends, welcome to Moody Blooms. I'm Mary Ellen and today we're going to unbox another terrarium from Ferrisland. Now the first time I did a closed top terrarium and I showed you the step-by-step way to set that up, and today we're going to do a open top terrarium. So cute, right? So this is the terrarium that they sent me. And we're going to go ahead and fill up the different layers, and I'm going to show you how to set that up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plant this zebra plant in the terrarium. So the first thing we're going to want to do is separate this. So just try to be as gentle as possible. Gently lift the roots up without trying to damage them. Probably could just leave these two in here. Actually, I'll take another one out just in case I decide I want a different size. And these do great around temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And they don't do well below about 50 degrees, so just keep that in mind. They love plenty of sun and bright light, and a south-facing window will provide the most sun. Another thing you can do is take a little eyeshadow brush or a mini paintbrush, get some of the dirt out of there. Okay. We'll just see which one of those fits best. And these propagate by offsets, so they'll grow little pups along the base. I don't see any on any of these, but that's how they'll reproduce. Okay, now let's get our terrarium out, ready to go. Okay, first thing we're going to want to do is put a couple inches of some pea gravel. I like to pour them into a little plate and then kind of gently pour them in the bottom. All right, the next step, and this is optional with a open terrarium, but I like to add some activated charcoal to the bottom. And this is because it helps purify any excess water, it absorbs toxins, and it takes that smelly odor out. It helps keep the air fresh. This is just a knitting needle. Okay, the next thing we're going to want to do is add a layer of cactus soil. And my favorite recipe for soil is a mixture of sand, perlite, and potting soil. And again, you can use the paper plate. Just makes for an easier cleanup. Okay, so we're gonna get that soil kind of off to the side so we can make some room for the roots of our zebra plant. We add a little bit more soil. So you're going to make some room for the roots. I think we're going to go with the smaller zebra plant. And then kind of fill it in around the sides. And then because these produce offsets by the pups, you want to put some rocks close, but not too close. Just kind of have to gently put them around the sides. We'll get those let's use this paintbrush to get the rocks out as best we can. And then again, I like to keep the rocks, give them a little bit of space so they can produce some pups without getting in the way of the rocks. Add a few more rocks on this side. Guy does not want to get out. Okay. So there's our cute little terrarium. Probably add a few more rocks over here as well. Because there's no drainage hole at the bottom, it's going to take less water. During the growing season, it takes plenty of water, but we only want to water the soil when it's dry to the touch. All right, looks good. So here's our finished terrarium. Again, these are from Ferrisland, and I'll put the link down below. And right now, all my viewers can get any of their terrariums for 20% off with the coupon code Moody Blooms, and all the links will be down below for you. Thanks so much for joining us on Moody Blooms. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that big thumbs up button to let us know that you enjoy our content, and we'll see you next time on Moody Blooms.